Looking to enhance your email experience on the Mail app, this guide offers 3 essential tips to help you manage your emails more efficiently and make the most of the app's features. So let's dive in. Tip 1. Use VIP lists for important contacts. Open the Mail app, go to Mailboxes, tap VIP. From here, you can add VIP email and manage your VIP contacts, and also add important contacts to the VIP list for quick access to their emails. Tip 2. Customize swipe gestures. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, scroll down, find out and tap Mail, tap Swipe Options. Set up swipe gestures to quickly archive, delete, or mark emails as read or unread. Use the search function efficiently. Open the Mail app, tap the search bar at the top, enter keywords related to the email you're looking for. Use filters to narrow down results by sender, subject, or content. These tips will help you manage your emails more effectively and make the most out of the Mail app on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.